In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Books in just 5 minutes. Zoho Books is an incredibly handy tool for managing your business finances, and with this quick guide, you'll be up and running in no time. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Zoho Books website. This is your starting point for everything we will be covering today. Once there, you'll want to look for the sign up option, which allows you to create a free 14-day trial account. This trial period is a great opportunity to explore the full capabilities of Zoho Books without any initial commitment. After clicking sign up, you'll need to enter some basic information about your business. Specifically, you'll need your company name, email address, and a secure password, as well as the country where your business is based. Once you've entered this information, go ahead and log in using the email address or mobile number and password you just registered with. Now that you're inside, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is the central hub of Zoho Books, where you can easily access all its features. Don't hesitate to take some time familiarizing yourself with the layout. Knowing where everything is will help you work more quickly and efficiently in the future. One of the core features of Zoho Books is sales management. Here you can track your sales, send estimates and invoices to customers, and keep a close eye on your revenue streams. It's all about helping you grow your business with ease and confidence. Likewise, managing purchases is equally straightforward. You can input purchase orders, record expenses, and ensure that your outgoing funds are tracked just as accurately as your incoming ones. While you're getting comfortable with these functionalities, remember to explore the items management feature as well. This crucial section allows you to track your inventory, set up pricing, and organize your products or services efficiently. Proper management here ensures you always have the right amount of stock on hand. Next up, connecting your bank will streamline financial tracking even further. By securely linking your bank account with Zoho Books, you facilitate seamless transactions and can keep tabs on your cash flow with real precision. As you continue exploring, look at the invoices and payments section. Creating professional-looking invoices and managing payments through Zoho Books helps maintain a consistent cash flow and aids in prompt collections. Don't overlook the expense management aspect either. Here you can categorize and record every penny spent, keeping your financial records clean and accurate. To paint a complete picture of your business's finances, generating reports is the final piece of the puzzle. Reports offer a detailed breakdown of your financial health, equipping you with insights to make informed decisions. And just like that, you're equipped with the basics of Zoho Books. With these insights, you can confidently manage your business finances, leaving you more time to focus on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy bookkeeping.